How to record a Google Meet session. These days, video conferencing and virtual calls have all but replaced in-person staff meetings, family get-togethers, and happy hours with friends. However, just as in the real world, not everyone is able to make every scheduled meeting. Plus, there are others who want to be able to rewatch or relive get-togethers at a later time. Thankfully, there is an easy way to record your Google Meet sessions for posterity. We'll show you how in the steps below. You will know the meeting is being recorded by the red rec button in the top left corner of the screen. To stop recording, click on the three-dot menu at the bottom right of the screen. Depending on the length of the meeting and the size of the file, it may take some time to appear in your Google Drive. As the person who started the recording, you should receive an email with a link to the recording once it has been processed and is ready. An email with a link to the recording will also be sent to the meeting's organizer. Finally, the recording link is added to the original Google Calendar event, and a copy is automatically added and saved to the meeting organizer's Google Drive in a new folder called Meet Recordings. Many of Google Meet's features are only available to the non-enterprise using public for a limited time until September. Not to worry though, as any recordings that you make, or that are shared with you, will still be available to you in your Google Drive long after any premium features have expired. Although you can use Google Meet on a Mac or Windows PC in just about any browser. We're particular to Google's own Chromebooks and Chrome OS. Here's our top pick among the current crop of Chromebooks. If you're in the market for a quality Chromebook for a reasonable price, it doesn't get any better than this. You get a beautiful 360-degree flex hinge touchscreen for ultimate flexibility. Google Meet is free to use with a Gmail account. You get more meeting tools with a G Suite subscription. There are so many great Android phones to buy, so it can be tough to know which one to buy. These are the best of the best at each price point. The Pixel 4a is coming on August 20th. And we're rounding up all the reasons to be excited about this incredible budget handset. OnePlus is embarking on a new visual identity with Oxygenos 11, with the manufacturer switching away from stock Android and offering a UI that's similar to Samsung's One UI. Here's why I'm not on board with the new design. The Google Assistant is the most useful smart voice assistant for getting your questions answered and keeping track of your digital life. But it's also great at helping you control your smart home devices and services. No spam. We promise. You can unsubscribe at any time and we'll never share your details without your permission. Jeremy is proud to help keep Austin weird and loves hiking in the hill country of Central Texas with a breakfast taco in each hand. When he's not writing about smart home gadgets and wearables, he's defending his relationship with his smart voice assistants to his family. You can follow him on Twitter at @jeremiute. Text source, AndroidCentral.com.